Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here today. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie. So as I have promised, today I will be doing a review about the Profusion Chocolate palette. So if you guys haven't seen my siennas and pro pigments review, I will be putting the link down below in my description box. So Profusion has released 3 new 21 eyeshadow palettes, and this is one of them. It is only $10 and you can get this at the Profusion website or at Target. Sometimes you can see Profusion at Walmart, Burlington, TJ Maxx, Ross, you know, those cheap stores, sometimes Rite Aid. So these are the colors. Just like the other palettes, you will also be getting the dual-sided applicator tip. One side is a blending brush and the other side is like a flat brush. So, of course, before we try this on our eyes, I'm gonna be showing to you guys some swatches. So by the way guys, I got home at 8 p.m. There's a reason why I uploaded this late. I'm trying my best to edit this video for you guys to upload it as soon as I can. And I realized that in my swatch, in my live swatch video, it wasn't focused. So what I did is that I ran to my makeup room, did all of these swatches. I just did one swatch so you guys could see, because even if I was the one who's like watching this video, to me, it did not make any sense if you can't really see the swatches very clearly. So yeah, I redid it for you guys. All right, guys, it is playtime. I already did my brows. And what's good about this palette is that there is a transition shade, but I want to try something a little bit different today. I want to directly put on the eyeshadow on my eye and just blend away. Let me just get my mirror real quick. So I'm going to start with the shade Quest. Why did I put that down? I need to show you guys the color. Okay. So I'm going to use that one first and pack that all over my lid. I want something that is like super vibrant, and if this does not blend, then good luck with me, because I'm gonna be facing a lot of people today. That's nice. So I want to do my eyes first, because why am I using this one? I could have just used this. And okay, I'm sorry if I'm burping. So I'm trying my best not to have a fallout, but so far so good. They stick right away on the eye. I do have an eyeshadow primer, so basically what I'm doing right now is that I wanted the color to be like super extremely vibrant, so I decided to pack them first. Okay. Wow. All right. Wow. Okay, girlfriend. Wow, look at that. After that, I'm gonna proceed with the second shade. So before I move on to the next color, I kind of want to blend everything out. And this is going to make the second color that I'm going to use a little bit more diffuse when they connect each other. I don't know if I make sense, but I do hope that I do. So I am going to get this shade right over here and apply that from the brow bone, connecting that to the green shade that we just placed in our eyes. I'm using a flat, dense brush for that. And then after that, I am going to get the shade called Likeable and apply that on my crease. So I will be taking my time when it comes to blending, so they look really nice and pretty and very well blended. And then after that, I am going to get the shade called Blitz. So in this palette, there is one textured eyeshadow, and that is the Blitz one. So that really made me so interested with the shade. So I'm going to put that on top of the green eyeshadow. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see how beautiful that is? It's so unreal. It's just so beautiful. So of course it is a textured eyeshadow. Usually they're not very hard pressed. So just be careful so you won't have any fallout. And then after that, I am going to get this really nice brown shade right over here and apply that on the outer V of my eye. So after this, I'm just going to do a little cleanup. And then after that,
I am going to put a black gel eyeliner on my waterline and apply a mascara on my lower lashes. And of course, I'm gonna pop on some lashes, and this completes my whole makeup look for today.
So this is the final makeup look that I have created using the Profusion Chocolates palette. Let me know what you think on the comment box down below. Which palette are you going to get? And no, I am not sponsored. It just so happens that I loved one of the palettes that they have sent to me. That's why I decided to buy the other palettes. So I truly enjoyed it, and I'm pretty sure that you guys will enjoy it too. It is super affordable and it's really, really nice. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for my next video. Goodbye!